Hello again, and welcome to Motion for Project Management. In this course, we'll be exploring how Motion can help your team be more productive, stay on track, and keep your projects moving smoothly. But before we jump into the demo, let's talk about the core philosophy behind project management at Motion. Section 1. Motion's project management philosophy. Number 1. All work needs to be added to Motion and tracked. This is essential. If a task or project isn't in Motion, it's not being managed efficiently, or probably it's not being managed at all. So the first step is ensuring everything gets added to the platform. 2. Trust Motion to auto-schedule everyone's tasks. Motion's intelligent scheduling takes into account everyone's calendars and availability and deadlines, so you don't need to worry about manually scheduling and moving tasks around. 3. For repeatable projects, use project workflow templates. Even if all tasks aren't identical, most projects follow the same stages. Workflow templates help you standardize this and automate recurring processes. 4. All projects can be broken down into stages. Every project, no matter how big or small, can be split into at least 3 stages: initiation, execution, and delivery, ensuring smooth progress through the lifecycle. Section 2. SOPs, the heartbeat of your business. Now let's talk about SOPs, or standard operating procedures. These are the lifeblood of any organization. An SOP outlines how work gets done in your company. It is what makes your business efficient and consistent, which in turn makes you money. Let's break this down into a project context. A project generally goes through at least 3 key stages. 1. Project initiation. Tasks here might include onboarding calls, creating customer profiles, doing research, and signing contracts. 2. Project execution. This is where the actual work happens, like building, testing, and iterating. 3. Project delivery. This stage includes tasks like preparing dashboards, getting payments, and setting up follow-ups. At Motion, for example, what we do is we build features for you. So our feature development SOP has 8 stages: design, review, development, QA, launch readiness, release, post-launch iteration, and cleanup. And the beauty of it is that almost everything in your company can be codified into an SOP. Here's a few more examples. Say you're onboarding a new employee and you have a new employee onboarding process. This could be codified into an SOP with stages of IT setup, employee completion of tutorials, and employee assignation of new project. 2. Performance reviews. Say you have a performance review process. An SOP for this might include stages like preparation, feedback, and submission. And 3. Annual budget planning, which might include things like goal setting, data collection, budget submissions, budget approvals, finalization, and documentation. As a manager, if you spend some time thinking through and breaking down your work into SOPs, the Motion can help you do the rest and help you execute as if you had a project management team right behind you, which in fact you do. Section 3. Now let's learn about Motion's project workflow templates. Here's where Motion really shines. Project workflow templates let you codify your SOPs into repeatable workflows. This not only documents your processes, but it also ensures tasks are assigned and scheduled automatically, keeping all your projects across your whole team on time. Better yet, because Motion projects are alive, any updates you make to a template will be applied to all active projects using that template. This means you don't have to get your template right from the get-go. In fact, you can start with a simple template, something along the lines of 10 to 15 tasks, and it'll naturally grow over time as you learn how to codify more and more of your tasks. For example, Own feature template started out with around 20 tasks, and it's up to 80 tasks right now. We never forget anything. Before we move into the demo, let's quickly summarize how Motion can boost your team's productivity by up to 10x using auto-scheduling and project workflow templates. Number 1. Tasks are always scheduled, so you always know when they will be completed, and you'll know right away if anyone's over capacity or any task is late or is at risk of being late in the future. 2. Complete visibility into all your work ensures efficient scheduling, and it ensures that deadlines are met. 3. Project workflow templates automate SOP and stages, with Motion managing the rest. No manual updates needed. 4. Reduce communication delays. As soon as a task is unblocked, the next one starts automatically. No more waiting for status updates or checking if a task is done, and no more meetings every day to know what the status of tasks are. All right, now that you know Motion's philosophy on project management, let's see how this works in practice. In the next lesson, I'm going to show you how to use Motion to track your projects using Motion workflow templates. All right, I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.